it will be like a. Would it be in a triangle?
Hey, for that you over.
Oh God, I forgot. No, it'll be in a circle.
What's going on?
And it'll be like a little mini. Oh, I forgot. Touch up. Why are you recording?
The whole instruction.
Sorry, that was a bit too far.
Hey guys, let me introduce you to Abby, my fastest learner in a very long time. If you think of most of what you'll be saying in this video, it's a lot of being silly, being jovial, and just having fun. And that's the best way to enjoy your driving lessons and learn to drive. It keeps your mind open, it keeps your mind at ease, and it helps you make mistakes genuinely and be inquisitive about them, ask questions about them, and learn while doing that. This is Abby's 6th lesson, so she has literally only had 12 hours of driving lessons, no private lessons, and this is how much and how far we have gotten in 12 hours. That is a lot of progress, and the only way to achieve this is stay calm, say no to anxiety, enjoy your driving lessons, make sure you enjoy it. And I'm saying this again, enjoy it. Make sure you have fun while doing it. Just pure having fun. She's relaxed and lesson is consistent. Avoid long gaps in between your lessons, especially when you're just at the beginning, when you're just starting. Otherwise, you do a lot of relearning because you tend to forget a lot and quickly during those gaps. So let's jump in and see how today's lessons went.
You hit the curb there with your front tire. And when you're ready, you can move up again.
Why did you do that?
Well, because that's what they would do on your test. I'm observing something.
Will I get a fault for hitting the curb?
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Okay, when you're ready, move off. And I'd like you to pull up on the left again, please. Just anywhere in the bay there.
Faults.
Very good. Well done.
Oh.
Now, this time around, although you checked your mirror after you signaled already,
Yeah.
but at least you signaled. The first one you didn't signal.
Oh.
No,
because he told me to quit.
Yeah, but no, I didn't tell you quit. You don't have to do it, right? Just find. Seriously?
Okay, so.
Okay, when you're ready, let's move off.
When I'm ready.
Yeah, move off. Remember, it's not that you're sitting down until tomorrow. Yeah, move off. Because I said when you're ready. Behave yourself.
What the hell?
Well done. I'm liking the blind spot check. That last check again before you move off. Good.
Try my best.
Okay. Are you happy now? Oh Lord.
There's always men that say thank you.
I keep down record. Yes. Exactly.
I should have stopped, yeah. I just thought there was nothing there, because...
Are you serious?
I just thought there was nothing there.
So, when you move, where are you going to go to?
Oh.
What about that traffic light there?
Oh.
Oh, see?
How are we going to go?
Well, because you're supposed to use that lane. That's why the light is controlling it. What are you thinking about?
How I just literally did not see the light.
Exactly. So, again, that one is another reason why a lot of people fail their test. Because you're thinking about the light. Your speed is not moving. That's why I know you're thinking about something. You've passed the light. You've made that mistake. Forget about it and move on, because then that's going to affect you and then you're going to do something else, right?
Let's do it now again.
Yeah,
but make a car come.
Yeah, we'll come. Make a car come. So we're going to continue straight. Wake up. Good. Because if you don't wake up, that's why you're not making progress, because you're still thinking. Don't overspeed. I didn't say overspeed though. Because that's you. Okay. Just relax. Remember the speed limit.
20.
And don't think backward. That's
How do I
it.
put on this reset mode?
If you try that,
Do you think we'll ever go on the highway?
of course we're gonna. I've told you. I've promised you we're gonna go on the highway. All right.
Do I have to make way for pigeons as well?
Go on now. Oh, that's for parking. I mean, for waiting. Has nothing to do with the lights. So it's like if you shouldn't be waiting there apparently between 8 in the morning to 5.
Some people drive like this.
Yeah. Though it's not safe. But if you hit hump or bump or something, the wheel will just spin off your hand. And that's it. Damn it.
And don't forget to check your side mirrors when you're moving off, especially when you've been waiting at a light for a very long time. Don't forget, anything could be coming through beside you.
Bring it back and then continue now. Make progress. That's it. Just 20.
Just 20. Okay, let me get to 20.
Good. Just 20.
Stay at 19.
Good. So next road on the left, we're gonna turn left where the lady with the dog is. Hey, it's too much. It's too much now.
Too much steering.
Yeah, you know what to do. So end of that road ahead, turn right, please.
Okay.
Hallelujah. It's a giveaway.
I was gonna stop.
At what day?
But
Gas is too much.
oh, help me! Hey, help me!
I should help you, but you have the brake. Yes. Go. Isn't that car far enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, so turn the wheel.
I was just making sure. I wasn't
making
seeing
sure.
things. It could immediately just run.
Is that a ghost? Roundabout, continue straight. First exit. Good. But next time, make sure if you've decided it's clear, look forward.
Okay.
You don't be looking that way and then you're crossing the roundabout. It's not safe. So same thing, we're gonna turn right on the next road ahead. So the next road on the right.
Oh, this one?
Which one have you passed any other road? Hey. Remember the width restriction. So
Yeah.
what should you do?
Slow down.
Good. And then what next?
Position it.
Good. Which is straighten your car. Don't go left. We're already close enough. Remember the fault here. Look at the mirror. See how close we are to that pavement. So we can't be steering any more left. Very good. Now relax and then we'll continue.
That's why I come up off my seat, innit? That's why I come up off my seat. Yeah,
To see better.
yeah.
Good.
I was just sitting here like Brent.
But that was a good attempt. See, at least you knew you had to. You know, nothing wrong getting yourself off that seat to try and look around it. There you go. That's enough steering before you hit the curb. You want to run from the truck, and the truck is not even disturbing you.
Why do I keep running away from these big cars?
I don't know. Good. I like the progress.
What progress?
The progress you're making. I did not say overspeed. I didn't say
literally,
so.
it's an accident. My foot is heavy.
Because I complimented your progress. But I didn't say overspeed.
Straight. Still.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you my foot is heavy.
Then make it light.
Oh my